We live in a world that is increasingly comfortable, thanks to the effort of many people. People who have known how to develop and apply the technology that allows us to progress. People who have known how to transform it into progress and well-being for everyone. It is people like this who are the backbone of the CAF Group. The CAF Group, Constructions and Railway Auxiliaries SA, is one of the international leaders in the market of integral transport projects. CAF designs, manufactures, maintains and supplies equipment and components for railway systems all over the world. Its spirit of permanent innovation and its high degree of technological training allow it to provide global solutions of the highest level. Its constant commitment to development of its own technology has led to outstanding successes in the fields of investigation, development and innovation. This commitment to technology is one of the factors that has brought about the success of the international projection of the CAF Group that has many operative bases throughout the world. Wherever it may be, the CAF Group will be able to meet the needs of your customers and adapt itself to its requirements. But the CAF Group is much more than that. It is a group of highly motivated people who share a common objective. A job well done, as the only way to reach and maintain a high standard of excellent solutions. A commitment to guarantee the maximum monitoring of every project throughout the entire cycle of the product. This is how this large established international industrial group is run, with the efficient, coordinated work of hundreds of professionals all over the world. This is their strength, the strength of the group. The CAF Group, the industrial railway group that builds the future.